Guys, so update today is November 1. It's All Saints Day here in Philippines, and you know that already about All Saints Day. So again, we are going to put candle, light it on for my grandma. This is the mother of my mom, and that one, guys, and that's my mom. And I'm here. So later, we're going to my dad's grave too as well.
Roberto, Elena, Isabel,
So, look, that's the flower. And also, of course, I bought also for my dad flower, guys. Flowers. So, that's it. That's how it's looking right now. We put, light it on candle. Papa, I wish you so much, Papa. So, this is my dad, guys. So, it's all Sunday. Rest in peace, Papa. We really miss you so much.
Concordio, Ito,
I bought
Maria
this
Fe,
flower,
Alas
guys.
Mane, Alas